Hi there, let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 1 mid-level. So you can see on the screen I'm already logged into the My IT Lab system and I've pulled up the results for your submission. On the right hand side, notice that you can download a copy of the submitted file. So the first thing I want you to do is advance to this screen where you're looking at your results and click on Download Submitted File. I've already done that and I have it open here in Excel. It's waiting for me to make the corrections. Okay, let's take a look at what corrections need to be made. The first one is on step 4, where it says enter that formula in C5. Now remember that in the C column, we later move it to the E column. So anyway, I'm going to click the red and white arrow to see exactly what it didn't like, because it only deducted 2 points. So here it says, in the cells E5 through E12, the category, which means the formatting, was not set to number, and the decimal places was not set to 0. Okay, so I'm going to go over to your Excel sheet. I'm going to make sure that I'm on the houses sold sheets. I'm not on both, I'm just on houses sold. I'm going to select E5 through E12. From the Home tab, in the number group here, I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to choose the number style, the formatting style, and then I'm going to decrease the decimal twice, 1, 2, to get rid of those decimal places. And then that'll make the correction that it was looking for step 4. Okay, let's see what else there is. On step 20, it says group the 2 worksheets, set the orientation to landscape, center the page horizontally and vertically. So let's do that together. Back to the worksheet, back to the Excel file. I'm going to select both worksheets. So on the keyboard, I'm holding down Shift and I'm clicking on the second worksheet. So now they're both white and highlighted and selected. From the page layout tab, I'm going to choose orientation and landscape. And then I'm going to choose print titles. The other thing I have to do is under margins, make sure I'm going to turn them off and turn them on again and make sure they're selected there horizontally and vertically. Click OK. And then I think that should be it. I think that's the only other thing it didn't like. Oh yeah, it did see the 1. Yep, sorry, I should have drilled down a little. The only thing that was missing was the orientation. When you're done making those corrections, you can save your Excel file, upload it back to the My IT Lab system. Should be 100%. And if you have any questions at all, you can email me.